everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be looking at my latest Stitch Fix box. It's a pretty big one. I think I picked half of these items from the preview and then left notes for my stylist. So I can't wait to dig into it. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do furry sidekicks and I'm outside, so there could be some random noise, even though when I came out it was quiet as could be. But we have Willie, Loki, Dexter, and Harvey the kitty is out here as well. Everyone's out, so you might catch a glimpse of them as we get through this video. I'm Laura. If you're new, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe so I can keep on doing this. And if you can hype my video, hit that hype button. That would really help as well. All right. Stitch Fix, you all know and love, right? They have been changing their model for quite some time, and I'm loving the changes that I'm seeing. My boxes have been getting so much better. My stylists are listening, and so they have, keep 5 or more, get 25% off. Now you can now get up to 8 items. I'm not sure if that is in beta or if they've launched it to everybody, but if you haven't seen it yet, you should see it soon. I think it's going very well. Also, there's a preview, so you have 24 hours to check out the preview that you get to pick items that you like and want sent to you, as well as leave notes for your stylist on other styles that you want. You can always just shop freestyle if you can't wait for a box and you just want to buy something. You got 30 days, try it on, send it back if you don't love it. And now I notice they have a chat feature, which I'm in love with, that popped up whenever my box was getting started, and basically it was like I think it was a different stylist than mine, so maybe someone that helps curate the pieces, not sure. But she was like, how can I help you? What would you like? And I actually gave her very specific things I was looking for to see if they had them. So I love that also. You do get a bag to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. And you get your bundles. You can get shoes and accessories. Check out all these awesome neutrals with the leopard print. I think all of these items I may have picked. I know I picked these 3 from the preview. That's one bundle. Here's another bundle. Here's the 4th item I picked from the preview. And I have shoes, which were in response to a request I made. I did a little peek. I don't think she got it exactly right, but I think these are going to be fun to try. All right. So my stylist is Kelsey. She's doing a really great job. I do have 8 pieces here. And we're going to get right to it. This is obviously fall. I'm doing this on a 79-degree day right now. The sun's going in and out, but it is really, really hot in the sun. So we're gonna try on all these fall styles in summer weather. Let's start with this one. So right on top, I have a Market and Spruce top. This is a 2-pack, I guess. I see one. I just see one, but it says 2-pack pearl cotton rib cotton tee. It's by Market and Spruce. A nice little basic, stretchy. We'll find. I think the other one might be in the other bundle. This is Marine Layer Alma Crewneck sweater. How adorable is this? Very soft. Love the leopard. Then we have the Pistola Eva Crewneck sweater in brown. Hopefully that's not too high on my neck, but I liked the color. Definitely giving all the fall vibes, right? Then we have the Liverpool Tweed sweater sleeve jacket. I enjoyed the contrast of this. Looks a little shorter. You can hear that airplane. All right, the next bundle. We'll save the shoes for last. I was so excited when she added this to my box. It's the Decker Faux Suede jacket by Z Supply. Oh, how yummy good is this? So it's longer, more like a chore jacket, I guess they're calling it. That is so cute. I love that. The big pockets in the front. Yeah, that's going to be super fun to try on. I'm excited about that. I have a lot of jackets. I have a lot of jackets in this one, don't I? I have this one by Pistola. This is the Elva Onion Stitch Puffer Jacket. Check that out. That's really nice. I like the trim there. Yeah. And it looks like it is like double-breasted a little bit. Oh, it just has a zipper in the front and then it covers the zipper. All right, that's going to be fun to try on. Then we have Daze Denim. These are coated, what are these called? Straight up coated cargo. How fun are these? They have some stretch, cargo pockets, coated. They look like the faux leather, right? But they're just a coated. So I think those are going to be super fun. They're my only bottom. And then for shoes, and I didn't see the other tee. It was supposed to be a 2-pack. So I don't see it in here. Okay. Interesting. Check out these shoes. So I had actually asked her for the cow print mule, which I do know that they have, because I had hearted it in there on my, what is it, when you go through their shop, when you go through the shop, I had hearted it because I really wanted to give it a try. But these are really cute as well. So they're a nice heel, zipper on the side there. The cow print is huge in, so we'll give it a try. All right, let's get to this try on. All right, so first up, I have on the Daze Denim coated pant. How fantastic is this? It does have, I got slimed by Dexter here. Good thing I'm going to keep them. Have these fun little patch pockets, utility pocket down below here. I really like these. They're a nice fit. They have stretch, so lots of stretch. As well as, oh, do you guys see that bug right there? That's a nice sized bug. Oh, and he's on the outside. Yep. Oh, and he's fun. Okay. I digress. Paired it with these booties, and you can see they hit right at the top, so you could wear this bootie with them. I think these are cute, but I think I'm going to hold out for the cow print mule. I think that would look cuter with this outfit. So while these are comfortable, they have a nice heel. They have the zipper on the inside. There's absolutely nothing wrong with them. I have my heart set on the mule, so I think I'm going to stick with that. And then the sweater. So the sweater is nice. I picked it from the preview along with these pants. I'm thinking this might be too high though. I keep wanting to pull on it, but it feels nice on. The color is nice. I really like it. Check out the pattern through it. I think it's really nice. I had it tucked, front tucked, but here's what it looks like out. But I keep wanting to pull on it, so therefore I'm thinking I better not keep it. Then I want to try on the green jacket, the Pistola puffer here, and see what this looks like. It looks like it's oversized, so I thought it might be good to try it on over a bulkier sweater so we can see how that works. It is. This is big, right? It's pretty big. All right, I think maybe this might be too big for me. I'm sure it's supposed to be oversized, but when it comes so far over my hand is when I get concerned. But let's see what it looks like if I zip it up. Comes up on the side, has these pockets. You could always probably just cuff the sleeve, which you guys know many times I have to do some form of that, or pushing it up, or get a little rubber band or something to pull it up, right? It does have the little double zip and then snap. All right, let's talk about these. I'm curious about the size of this one. So the Daze Denim straight up cargo high rise is a 2, 118. I think I'm going to keep these. The Dolce Vita Safira bootie in brown, I'm wearing an 8, which is my normal size, 185. I think the mule version was the same price. So like I said, I'd rather wait. The Pistola Eve Crewneck sweater. I'm wearing an extra small, 168. And the Elva onion stitch puffer jacket, also by Pistola. I'm wearing olive, extra small, $297.14. So it sounds like this one is on sale, $297.14. Or if it's left over from last year. And I wonder what the original price was, right? Let's keep going. Next up, I put on the t-shirt that was supposed to be a 2-pack. So it was supposed to be this color and a green one, which probably would have gone really well with the puffer jacket. Not sure what happened to the green one. We'll find out. Nice crew neck. It's ribbed. It's a great basic tee. I like it. I tucked it in, but it comes to about right here. Yeah, I think it's a nice basic tee. And then I'm going to put the Liverpool jacket over top of this. I kind of like this. This is a fun jacket. So it's got the sweater sleeves. It's going to be nice and warm and cozy. It's not lined on the inside. It has some stretch to it. It does have side pockets, top pocket here. This is cute. I like this. Here's what it looks like buttoned. Even we'll go with the patterned shoes. What do you guys think of this one? I like it. All right, so for the Mark & Spruce 2-pack pearl cotton rib neck tee, extra small, $55, which isn't a price for 2 of them, I don't think. And the Liverpool tweed sweater sleeve jacket, wearing an extra small, $149. All right, so we're down to the last few pieces. I took my shoes off because I didn't want them to contrast with the fun leopard print in this sweater. I also wanted you to get a chance to see exactly where these pants hit if I don't have a shoe on. I think it's a really nice length, so I could wear any type of shoe with it, from a bootie to, you know, a mule, a tennis shoe. They would all work. Okay, the sweater. This is so fun. It hits right at the waistband of my pants. I left it out first so you could see that. It has some room here in the sleeve. The crew neck is not making me want to pull on it, so it must be lower than the other one was, because I didn't think about it till I talked about it right now. Do a little front tuck, but I think you could tuck this all the way in and pair it with a cute black skirt or black denim, and this would be really pretty. It's very soft. The material is very soft. And then we're going to top it off with the suede jacket by Z Supply. Yes, yes, yes. I really love Z Supply. I'm always asking them to send me new in Z Supply. Anytime I can get a discount, I'm all for it. All right, so this is nice. It is very soft. It has a little bit of stretch. The big pockets goes with the leopard underneath. This feels like this whole outfit goes well together and feels very fall. Throw your favorite shoes on. You could go with black. You could go with a nice caramel color. Would be really pretty. This is a nice wrist because you can easily cuff it and you're not seeing any seaming details. So that works well for me. You can see it's a little bit long. So I'm kind of enjoying this. I love the big pockets. Yeah, it covers the tushy. There's no opening. Yes, 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 I love this. All right, so for this one, it's by Z Supply, the Decker Faux suede jacket. I'm wearing an extra small, $158. And for the marine layer, Alma Crewneck sweater, an extra small, $178. All 8 items is $1,308.14. The cheapest thing in here, which maybe is why she picked that 2-pack of tees, $55. Everything else is over $100. Many of them are pushing, you know, $158 higher with that jacket, the puffer jacket being almost, it's $300, $297. So I can see how we got that high. I will say I really am enjoying these pieces, so let's do a quick talk through and see what we think we should keep. All right, that was a truly fun fall box. I really enjoyed the textures, the patterns. This was fun. We had everything from like the coated to the sweater to the suede, like all the things. All right, and the knits. So First up, let's talk about this sweater. I really liked it. I think, and I haven't, again, until I look at it, I'm not thinking about pulling it. So I think I've got that little, you know, 1.5 finger gap here before it hits the front of my neck. So I think that's why this one is working and the other one wasn't. So I'm inclined to want to keep this one. I do really enjoy the pants. So I'm thinking I want to keep those as well. I absolutely loved the Z Supply jacket. So I'm thinking that's a yes. The shoes are a no for me. Again, super cute. I just have my heart set on the mule version. The t-shirts, if I need 5, I would add these and just ask them to please send me the actual set because these are great basics to have in your wardrobe. And once jacket season comes, I'm always looking for tees to wear underneath. I did like this. I thought this was fun. What did you think of the Liverpool mixed media jacket? I liked it. Great basic. You could put color on underneath that. This one too high. I really liked it. I think you should grab it if you don't have my neck issues because it's really cute. Would look so nice with like a leopard scarf. How cute would that be? This jacket I was really excited about, but I think for $300 it's too oversized for me. It doesn't say oversized, but I think it's supposed to be. I like it, but I'm just thinking it for that price tag, no. And I think that's everything. So if I look at it, it looks like if I have 4, solid 4 here between the sweater, the pants, the Z Supply jacket, and the Liverpool jacket. I would need to add in those Market and Spruce tees. And hopefully they send me both of them. And that should probably cut my cost probably at least in half. All right, what did you think? I will list all these down below in case you would like to request any of them from your stylist or if you'd like to shop their styles on your own and give them a try. I put them down below. I also put all the information for Stitch Fix in case you would like to give Stitch Fix a try. If you tried it, didn't like it, and it's been a few years, you might want to reconsider and give it a try again. If you've never tried it, it's a great way to get into the subscription boxes. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. Don't forget to drop in the comments what you think the keepers are. Please hit like and subscribe and hype this video so I can keep on doing it. Catch you next time. Bye, everybody.